Unleashing the power of ADA, transformative insights. Welcome to our YouTube journey where we dive into the transformative power of ADA, bringing you insights that will reshape your understanding of this groundbreaking technology. ADA, or Cardano, is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a third-generation blockchain that goes beyond the limitations of its predecessors. Its proof-of-stake consensus algorithm ensures energy efficiency and scalability, laying the foundation for a sustainable and inclusive financial ecosystem. One of ADA's key strengths lies in its commitment to peer-reviewed research and academic rigor. Unlike many projects in the space, Cardano places a premium on scientific validation, ensuring that its innovations are not just theoretical but have a solid foundation in academic principles. Smart contracts are the backbone of decentralized applications (DApps), and ADA's implementation takes them to the next level. We'll explore how ADA's smart contract platform opens up a world of possibilities for developers, allowing them to create secure and scalable applications. Cardano's emphasis on interoperability is a game changer. We'll discuss how ADA's cross-chain compatibility facilitates seamless communication between different blockchains, fostering collaboration and expanding the scope of decentralized finance (DeFi). ADA's governance model is a beacon of decentralization. We'll unpack how the Cardano community actively participates in decision-making, ensuring that the platform evolves in a way that reflects the collective interests of its users. In this exploration of ADA's capabilities, we've only scratched the surface. Cardano's commitment to sustainability, academic excellence, smart contract innovation, interoperability, and decentralized governance positions it as a formidable force in the blockchain space. Join us on this journey as we uncover the untapped potential and power of ADA, reshaping the future of decentralized technologies.